What's up, traders? So let's do a complete multi-time frame analysis of gold. Let's see what kind of trading opportunity we have in this instrument. Now, what do we see? This is the 4-hour time frame, and we see a significant trading opportunity in this time frame in gold. Now, before we discuss what it is, let's do a complete multi-time frame analysis. Then we'll look at how we can trade gold. Now, first of all, let's look at bigger picture, monthly time frame. Monthly, weekly, higher time frame will give you a direction in the market. Now, if you look at the monthly candlestick pattern, we see that gold basically is in a bearish move, though it is a long term historically bullish market. But what we have seen that during this crisis war between Russia and Ukraine, we saw that gold extended to the upside but couldn't create any new higher high, rejected from this monthly top, creating a lower high. So when you see in this kind of bullish market lower high has been created, you can expect price to come down and maybe create a lower low. So with that being said, over the long term we could potentially see a bearish move on gold. Now going to the now weekly time frame, what we see that past week we have seen a nice bearish engulfer. Now there is a significance in this bearish engulfer. Let's analyze it. This red candle, first of all, it formed in a very important level of resistance. If you look at this one here, in the past the same level is a weekly resistance, and quite a few candle back to back rejected from the zone created this move to the downside. When the price broke this zone, again came back down exactly from the same level, we saw that this long doji has been created. That means that here the level acted as a resistance, respected as a resistance, here acted as a support, respected as a support, and then later we saw that the same level has created a gap opening, and now from the same zone we have seen a bearish engulfer has been created. Now in this bearish engulfer we saw that the high of the candle has crossed almost all the candles here, and the low of the candle has closed past the previous ones, low and high, and closed with a long weak candle. So all that being in said, gold weekly looking strongly bearish. Now this is the last day of trading week. We haven't seen a still significant movement on gold on the weekly, so still there is something remaining to drop. If we draw a trend line, possible zone, this could be the zone that at worst case scenario we could see that gold is dropping down, as there is a high impact news release today, later today, after a couple of hours, that can impact gold, as this is Aussie dollar is highly related to gold. So during that news release we could see a melting of gold. Now let's find out how we can take that opportunity. Going to the daily, the past day there is a very strong bearish engulfer has been created. You see that if you look at the price section, you see the price has created a series of lower high, and then with this green doji, it looks like that it's a fake move to the upside. The price came down, created this fake move, and then as soon as market opened we saw that the buyers couldn't create any new higher high, instead created a bearish engulfer. Now all this in our favor. Now at this point let's find out a possible resistance for gold for possible shorting opportunity. If we zone out this level, then this could be a possible shorting opportunity for gold based on price action. Now if you go to the intraday or 4 hour, we see that the price already, there is a 20 period moving average on the 4 hour time frame, and this is where we can see that possible shorting zone. Now in this 4 hour time frame as well we have something to look at. As you can see, there has been a double top formation in this zone, and this double top has a series of lower high. So if you look at this double top, first of all there is a lower high on the right side, then the left side, and also this two move is clearly a fake move of this dynamic resistance. So with all that being said, we saw there is a double top and the price breakdown now testing this previous support zone of this double top. This is the previous support zone of this double top as resistance, and we see primarily rejecting to the downside. Still 1 hour 40 minutes to go, this candle to be closed. We could find a possible shorting opportunity from this zone. If it satisfies all the rules of our strategies, then we will go short on gold with our students with a high risk to reward ratio to take this move to the downside. If you find value in this analysis, then smash the like button, and also don't forget to leave a comment below. Thank you for watching. See you soon in my next analysis.